This video demonstrates proper push-up technique using a realistic three-dimensional medical body for clear, understanding visual learning. Push-ups are a powerful bodyweight exercise that builds total upper body strength without equipment or gym access anywhere. Place your hands under shoulders and keep head, hips, and heels aligned in one straight line, always together. Lower your chest toward the floor slowly while keeping your neck neutral and core muscles engaged for safety. Press the ground away with control, returning upward without locking your elbows at the top position smoothly. The chest muscles create most of the force during push-ups, especially while lowering and pushing phases combined. Triceps help extend the elbows and drive your body upward during every controlled push-up repetition. Shoulder muscles stabilize your arms and protect joints while maintaining balance throughout the movement cycle. Your core muscles stay tight to support the spine and prevent unnecessary lower back movement. Maintaining a neutral spine improves strength transfer and reduces stress on the lower back during push-ups. Inhale slowly as you lower your body to maintain control, stability, and proper breathing rhythm. Exhale smoothly as you push upward, helping generate force and maintain consistent breathing control. Controlled breathing improves endurance and helps muscles work efficiently throughout repeated push-up movements. Keep hips level with shoulders and avoid letting them drop during any part of the exercise. Sagging hips increase pressure on the lower back and reduce effective core muscle engagement. Avoid flaring elbows outward because this places unnecessary strain on shoulder joints over time. Keeping elbows slightly tucked improves joint safety and increases triceps muscle activation during push-ups. Lower your chest fully each repetition to use the complete range of motion effectively. Partial repetitions limit muscle activation and slow overall strength progress significantly over time. Proper push-ups strengthen chest, shoulders, arms, and core together in one efficient bodyweight movement. Regular push-up training improves posture, upper body stability, and everyday functional strength performance. This exercise supports shoulder health by strengthening stabilizing muscles around the joint safely. Push-ups train multiple muscle groups to work together in a balanced, coordinated pattern. Using correct form reduces injury risk while maximizing strength gains and long-term performance results. Beginners should focus on slow, controlled repetitions instead of rushing through the movement. High-quality repetitions create better results than performing many repetitions with poor technique. Maintain a steady rhythm and smooth motion throughout every push-up repetition. Each properly performed push-up strengthens muscles while reinforcing joint control and stability. Consistent daily practice leads to steady improvement and long-lasting strength development over time. Push-ups are widely used by athletes, military personnel, and fitness professionals worldwide. They require no equipment and can be performed almost anywhere at any time. Performing push-ups regularly helps build sustainable strength without excessive joint stress. Small daily improvements gradually add up into noticeable strength and endurance gains over time. Good technique allows your body to produce more strength with less unnecessary effort. Focus on alignment, breathing control, and muscle engagement during every repetition. Pay attention to body signals and avoid pushing through sharp or sudden pain. Stop exercising if you feel discomfort in shoulders, elbows, wrists, or lower back. Safe, consistent training is the key to long-term progress and injury prevention. Master proper push-up fundamentals before increasing repetitions, speed, or exercise difficulty. Start practicing correct push-ups today and build a stronger, healthier body over time.